So my first comment would be the musical accompaniment continues its streak of inappropriate selections. Well, first of all, let me thank you all for coming out today. I especially want to thank Representative Lombardo for working hard with Senator Donnelly to get this legislation passed so that we could sign it and basically deliver something everybody else up here already knew, which is that Billerica is in fact Yankee Doodle town. And now the really interesting part about this is I'm one of those somewhat uninformed citizens of the Commonwealth who always thought that Yankee Doodle was a happy song. And